Good morning, folks. It's Friday the 26th, and we have a market that is under stress. So, really quick, an update on where we stand going into the new trading day. We have gold up about spot 20%, and we have bond yields, which are down. Equity markets, as measured by the NASDAQ 100, lower center of your screen here, we are down spot 57%. We're off the lows of last evening when I went to bed. We have bounced back, but now we're rolling back over again. Volatility is up, but not as aggressive as it was last night, again, before I went to bed. But this bullish reversal bar, 15-minute chart, would imply that we may be setting up for higher highs, and that is a capital may, because we saw that here, we saw it here. You know, VIX has a notorious history for giving false breakouts. So let's wait for the breakout before we decide which way to take this market. Will I be shorting the market this morning? No. Why? Because we have no idea how we're going to close. We have the PCE inflation index coming out this morning, and that is the Federal Reserve's favorite measure of inflation. We have no idea what the expectation for inflation is going to be moving forward. So I do not want to go shorting the market in front of that. I'm scrolling through a couple of names. NVIDIA, that was rallying off the lows. It did overnight, but we're still down around $8 from where we closed yesterday. So that's going to weigh on the semi names. Speaking of semis, we are short of the semis using the SOXS. That put on a 5-handle overnight. We're down to 4.95, but well off the lows of where we closed yesterday, or I should say the closing price of yesterday. Tesla up a little bit relative to the close yesterday. Now, Intel, a really brutal opening setting up here. The market makers got this one completely wrong. I'm taking a look at the NASDAQ down here, and what you're seeing is a threat of a break to a new lower low, and there she goes. Now, Visa annihilated. There's no bid back here, and I wouldn't expect a rally back of any measure on Visa or on Intel, because that's not usually the way it works. You may get a short covering rally by either A, profit takers on the short side, or B, folks that think they're getting a bargain and they're going to go running in there and buying up some stock of Visa and Intel, only get slapped down. There goes the NASDAQ. Boom. So we are now down spot 59%. Let's check in with the E-minis for a moment. And they are down fractionally, not even a quarter of a percentage point, and they're rallying off their lows. So it looks as though what we're going to see is a correction in the tech space. At least it's implying that as we move into the new trading day. So members, I will talk to you throughout the day. Be well. Scratch that. So members, I'll touch base with you later. Have a profitable trading day and be well.